how to add a language onto your Gboard keyboard and also how to switch between the different languages of your Gboard keyboard. Make sure you have the latest update. It's 2025 and let's get started. You'll first want to get access to your keyboard. So if you're about to start typing, your keyboard's going to pop up like this here. You'll see this little settings right here. Tap on that. And once here, you'll see languages, this one right here. And for most of us, we'll only see the English as an option. And what we're going to do now is tap on where it says add keyboard, not type, tap. And once you're here, you'll go down the list of what you want to add. And of course, you can have those that are suggested. So if you got Espanol, whenever you tap on a language, this is going to show up here for you. And it's going to allow you to choose from the different style of keyboard layout. So we got QWERTY, QWERTZ, and the AZERTY, and a few others here that you're probably used to or familiar with and you prefer to use. And you can go ahead and select that. And once you're done, press done. Now you have your second language option. And to add a few more, go here and just go down the list. I'm just going to go ahead and pick a random one so we can get an idea of what's really going on here. So I'll just go with this one here and then done. And just one more here just for the sake of having different keyboards, right? Now we have 4 different keyboards languages set here. And if in case you add one or you want to remove one, you can tap on the edit icon here. And this is going to show up like this. You can select the option that you don't want and press the delete icon. Also, you can rearrange the order that they appear in so that at default, whenever you open up your keyboard, that would be the first keyboard language that's going to appear here. So maybe I wanted this one as my first one instead of the English. I'll place it up here and I'm going to release it. So that's one of the ways of doing it. Okay. So now that we're done with all this, we can come out, and then returning back to our keyboard, you'll now notice that they're going to tell you that you have your new keyboards all set and ready to go and use. So I'll just close this out. And the way we switch between our keyboards is by tapping on this icon here. You'll notice this icon is now there. And as you tap on that, it's going to switch to the other types of languages, other keyboard. Again, as you select the language, you'll notice on the space bar, it's showing you which one you're currently using. So go to this one here, and this one here is the other one. And I'll go back to English, Spanish. So English, Spanish will most likely be just about as identical. So there are 2 in 1 keyboard. And you can go back to these settings and change them, remove them any way you want, like and so.